How to view your purchase history on AliExpress. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for aliexpress.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to check your purchase history on AliExpress, tap on your account name on the top right of your screen and further tap on the My Orders option in the drop-down menu that appears. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your purchase history. You can tap on the Shipped tab to view all the items that have been shipped to you, and you can tap on the To Ship tab to view the items that are yet to be shipped to you, and so on. So this is how you can view your purchase history on AliExpress. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.